today's lecture is class 11th physics, that is the lecture number 2nd and the chapter number 2, which is units and measurement. So in previous lecture we have something discussed about the units, and today we are going to use the units to measure mass, length or time. So first topic is measurement of length. Actually we have need to measure the length between two objects, so we can use the unit meter. Then suppose that if there is a station A and next station is B, so how far the station B from A, then we have to need identify an unit that should be able to represent the distance between those stations A and B. So like there is a straight line, and suppose that there is the total distance D equals to 5 km, but this is a small distance. Suppose that, and think it, we are standing here at point O, okay, and for a long distance there is another object, and the upper part of this object A and the lower part of the object is B. So if we have to calculate the distance between A and B, so we use parallax method. Now what is the parallax method? Parallax method is used to find the distance between two objects which are situated at a long distance from the observatory point. So suppose that there is a distance between A and B is small d, and the angle between A and B on the observatory point is theta, and any one of them, like A and B, the distance from observatory point O to A, I am denoting here capital letter D. So if we want to calculate the distance between A and B, so we use parallax method that tells us that if theta equal to, that is the angle between A and B on the observatory point O, theta equals to arc upon the distance D. Always remember that small is the arc and D we can use like radius. Okay, so we can see here angle equals to arc upon radius, and this is known as parallax method. Okay, so यहाँ पर जो पैरेलक्स मेथड है, एंगल आपको थीटा जो है वो रेडियन होगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट थीटा इक्वल्स टू, or we can say theta should be in the form of radian, because there are few units to represent the angle, like degree, and second one is radian. So if we are going to solve the of this type by the using parallax method, then in this method theta should be in radian form. So what do you mean by radian? So I am going to discuss about the radian. So remember that 1 degree, or you can say note this point, 360 degree, that is equal to 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian, and radian is denoted by rad. You can write the full name of this radian, otherwise this is the symbolic form rad, that is the radian, 2 pi. So we can write here, then 1 degree equals to 2 pi upon 360 degree radian. So यहाँ पर डिग्री आप नहीं लगाएंगे, डायरेक्टली राइट करेंगे 360. So this will be in the form of radian. So 1 degree angle, that will be equal to pi upon 180 radian. So this is the form to convert the angle of degree in the form of radian, and this value equals to, what do you mean by 1 degree, and this is the equals to 1.745 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. Okay, so 1 degree equals to pi upon 180 radian, otherwise you can directly put the value 1.745 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. So like this, there is some other types of angles which is represented in the form of radian. First degree, second is radian, third can be minute, and fourth can be second. So we can write 1 degree equals to pi upon 180 radian, otherwise that is equal to 1.745 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian, and 1 degree equals to, point number first this, and point number second is 1 degree equals to 60 minute, and for the representing minute take here only 1 dash. So 60 dash, that means 60 minute. 1 dash represents the minute. So 60 minute. What is the minute? That is the minute of hour. What is minute of hour? Suppose that यहाँ पर कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है और इसको हम किसी भी एक अनदर ऑब्जर्वेटरी पॉइंट से इसको ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, तो इस पॉइंट से अगर ऐसे मूव करते हुए जाएंगे तो 1 मिनट में कितना आर्क मूव करते हैं, दैट इज द मिनट ऑफ आर्क, एंड लाइक दिस 1 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू 60 मिनट. सो राइट हियर 1 degree equals to 60 minute, and that is equal to 1.745 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. And now if we want to calculate the 1 minute equals to, then we can write here 1.745 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon 60, okay, in the form of radian. So 1 minute equals to 2.908 into 10 to the power minus 4 रेडियन. अभी आप इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ये एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू कितनी आएगी, इसी को हम लोग नियर अबाउट राइट कर सकते हैं 2.91 into 10 to the power minus 4 रेडियन. इसको अप्रॉक्स ऐसा राइट कर सकते हैं. अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में अभी हम लोग इसको डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस में या फिर इसी चैप्टर में ही हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेंगे हाउ कैन वी राइट 2.908 ये लाइक 91, यहाँ पर 08 है और यहाँ पर कितना है 91 है लास्ट में, तो इसको कैसे राइट किया अभी इसी चैप्टर में आगे हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे, बट अभी आप इतना समझे कि इसको ऐसा राइट कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर 1 मिनट इक्वल्स टू कितना राइट करना पड़ेगा 2.91 into 10 to the power minus 4 रेडियन। पॉइंट नंबर थर्ड दैट इज 1 मिनट इक्वल्स टू 60 सेकेंड, and to represent the second take your double dash।